Recorded Books presents Snowstorm in August, Washington City, Francis Scott Key, and the Forgotten Race Riot of 1835 by Jefferson Morley, narrated by Peter J. Fernandez and directed by Stephen Bartolome. This book opens with the declaration of the Fifth National Negro Convention, which was held in Philadelphia in 1835. We rejoice that we are thrown into a revolution where the contest is not for landed territory, but for freedom. Let no man remove from his native country, for our principles are drawn from the Book of Divine Revelation and are incorporated in the Declaration of Independence, that all men are born equal. And now, Snowstorm in August.
Part 1. The Disciple of Epicurus. Chapter 1. Beverly Snow did not look like trouble. Not hardly. He was a mild-mannered fellow of mixed-race heritage, in the lingo of the day, a mulatto. The admixture of African and European blood in his veins gave an air of incongruous humor to his countenance. His language was learned, if a little extravagant, for he knew his way around a kitchen and loved to pass cooking time in conversation. To the patrons, white and colored alike, who gathered at his oyster house in the tobacco town of Lynchburg, Virginia, Beverly held forth more as a Creole raconteur than discontented bondsman. In the autumn of 1829, he was certainly better known for his way with words and white men than for any sort of difficulty. He humored the hungry with a steady stream of jokes and japes, while doling out fat James River oysters and dispensing a variety of sage epigrams, dubious puns, and enigmatic epiphanies at no extra charge. The fare was salubrious, the conversation light, the prices lighter. That was Beverly's way. While it was true that not all white men approved of a colored man doing business in the heart of town, it was more true that Beverly's friends, John and Susanna Warwick, approved of his enterprise. In Lynchburg, that was enough. John was the son of Major William Warwick, a Revolutionary War veteran turned banker, who had served as the first mayor of the settlement around John Lynch's ferry landing back in 1805. Susanna was the daughter of Captain William Norval, a veteran of Valley Forge and the village's first clerk. John and Susanna Warwick owned Beverly Snow, but ownership...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?